Ever wondered how you can contribute to a greener planet right from your backyard? Welcome to the world of sustainable gardening, a practice that not only nurtures Mother Earth, but also nurtures you. It's about growing your own food, healthier and fresher, while cutting down on maintenance costs. It's about creating a rich, biodiverse ecosystem that thrives in harmony with nature. It's about taking small steps that make a big difference. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a sustainable haven? Transforming your garden into a sustainable paradise is simpler than you may think. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to make this transformation a reality. Firstly, opt for native plants. They're accustomed to the local climate and soil, requiring less water and fertilizers, thus reducing your environmental footprint. Next, enrich your garden's soil with organic compost. It's a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps while providing your plants with essential nutrients. Thirdly, ditch the chemical pesticides and practice natural pest control. Encourage beneficial insects, birds, and other natural predators to your garden to keep those pesky pests at bay. Lastly, consider efficient water usage. Use rain barrels to collect rainwater and water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation. You see, it's not that complex. Each step brings you closer to a flourishing, sustainable garden that not only benefits you but also our planet. Remember, every small step towards sustainable gardening counts. Now that you have learned about sustainable gardening, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. Imagine the joy of cultivating healthier plants, reaping cost savings, and reducing your environmental footprint, all by implementing these simple steps. Remember, every green thumb action contributes to a healthier world. So why wait? Begin your sustainable gardening journey today. And of course, let's continue this green conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!